Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Volvo XC60 R-Design Lux Nav all-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is currently on 59,950 miles and it's finished in the colour Seville Grey. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. Below there you do have your very nice LED daytime running lights that really complement the vehicle throughout the day. You have your R-Design badging on the grille there. Now around to the side. It does sit very nicely on your 18-inch alloy wheels that are in a nice two-tone grey. You have your indicator integrated into the door mirror that's finished in a contrasting silver finish. Now let's take a look inside to the rear. You have gorgeous black leather seats. And both of your outer seats do have ISOFIX points, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You also have your armrest there. That has two cup holders in, allowing rear passengers to travel comfortably. Now let's head to the rear of the vehicle. You do have a tow bar, so you can tow things very easily, such as a small trailer or a caravan. You have your exhaust on either side of the rear of the vehicle. Now open up the boot. You do have a powered tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, and it provides you access to the very spacious boot. You can easily fit a pram in there, making it very practical for a family. And there are tethering points, so you can tighten your loads down if you need to prevent anything from moving around freely if you don't want it to. And up top you do have a button that automatically closes the tailgate. Very handy when you're unloading the vehicle and your hands are full, you don't have to struggle to close it. Now let's take a look inside here at the front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there with nice metal finish and your R-Design badging again at the bottom. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You have electric adjustment, and you also have your memory settings with this, so you can save your preferred driving position so it's always available. It's an extremely handy feature if you have additional drivers who may change your positioning. It allows you to easily revert back to your preferred positioning, so you don't have to struggle to re-find it. Now that we've had a look around this Volvo, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it has to offer. Starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them protected. It's very handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can fold them in to prevent them from being knocked off by other road users as they tuck in nicely and tight into the vehicle. Now you do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You can be sure the road will be well lit whenever you need it to be. You have some controls on the steering wheel here, including your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. You have some controls here at the end of your indicator stalk to scroll through your digital display in your instrument cluster. It's all a digital screen with your speedo. You can display different information as well. You can scroll through different information such as miles to the gallon as well. Or you can have it clear without any information on there. Now here in the centre you have your infotainment screen that's controlled using the buttons and spinning dials. Here in the centre console you can scroll through to find your radio with DAB, FM and AM. With DAB, have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find your own preferred stations. With a list you can scroll through, so you can access them easily. You also have your media screen here with your USB and auxiliary input. There's also Bluetooth as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have while on the go. It's very easy to pair your device up there. And now here, moving on, you can access your navigation. An extremely handy feature. If you're always on the go, you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very straightforward to use. You can change the view using the scroller to zoom in and out, and the guidance is very clear and easy to follow. So you can be sure you won't be confused with this. Now moving on to the My Car section. You have your My XC60 here where you can access your city safety. This can detect potential hazards at lower speeds, very handy around town, and can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact with a vehicle or object ahead. Now, moving on, you also have some internet features. You can access some apps along with a web browser. Extremely handy when surfing on the go. As long as you have your device connected, this system should work for you. And now as well, you can access your parking sensors. You do have rear sensors, giving you added confidence when reverse parking. And they are activated when you select reverse and the handbrake is off. So you can be wary of the surroundings to the rear, and it gives you more judgment on how close you maybe are to things at the rear of the vehicle as well. And now let's move on to below here. You have your air conditioning controls, and all the information is displayed at the bottom of the infotainment screen. So you can see what you're making adjustments to, such as the temperature, the fan speed, and also your direction of airflow. You also have heated front seats with 3 different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm and forget all about the cold outside. Extremely handy for those winter months. You also have your buttons there for defrosting the front and rear windscreens, with a heated rear windscreen available to you. You have your automatic gear selector there in the centre. Thanks for watching this video on the Volvo XC60 R-Design Lux Nav all-wheel drive. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.